Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. So before starting, let me tell you guys the enable sensitive content. To turn on enable sensitive content on Telegram, you cannot do that from Telegram application. So you have to go to the official website of Telegram. So you can just open up Safari or Google Chrome or any web browser and open up your Telegram account. Once you log in, the user face will be like this, and on the top left corner you can see the menu bar. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and select settings. Now you will be appear with the several options. Go ahead and tap on general settings. Now you will be appear with the several options, so go ahead and tap on privacy and security and scroll all the way down and you can see the sensitive content. Go ahead and tap on that empty box. So when you tick mark it, this feature will be enabled on your Telegram and you will be able to see sensitive content on Telegram. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.